Hey friends, it's Sam with Paper Besos. Welcome back to my channel. I have a package today from Chiquita, who's Chiquita's Crochet on Instagram and YouTube. I will make sure I post her links so you can take a look at what she has. Some of what I ordered was a special order, something that I needed, so I asked her if she could make some, and as usual, she came through. So I'm going to unbox that now. We'll unwrap it anyway. She sent me some extra gifts. She's so sweet. Stickers. More stickers. Oh, that is so cute. Handmade with love. You can take those off and put them in things that I create. That's really sweet. Thanks, girl. Got a little thank you. Oh, here's her stuff. Make sure I'm on. That's her. Screenshot that. There's her Instagram, her email, and her P.O. box. Hopefully that's okay to show. I assume she put it on her card. She said, "Thank you so much for encouraging me to go grungy." Yes, girl. Look at it. She even did that on paper. How cute. We got a nice little sari silk ribbon trim. Do you sell this? That's new. You do that? So this is a file folder, which she was like, "I'm gonna throw this in." I'm like, la, 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 la. Thank you. Look how good it came out. Darker colors is what I asked for. Look at ripped, girl. Yes. And there's some extra sheets in here. Look at the grunge. How cute. It's printed. It's printed paper. That's cool. No way. Look at this blue. What is that? Did you dye this? Girl, that's beautiful. Focus, Sam. So we've got some doilies. Look at this file folder. Oh, look. That's vintage. Super cute. You can tell I was working. I got like paint all over. Cute little tiny doilies. Look at these blues. I just used some of her blue paper in a project that I did, design team project for Anna's Wonderland. Actually, there was two, but the first one I did was journal inserts, and the blue paper I used in there was just so pretty. Oh, look at how grungy. I love that kind of stuff. Like, yeah, it's torn, throw it in there. It's wrinkly, it didn't come out perfect, throw it in there. Oh yes, I want it all. Look at that. So we went nuts over that blue paper that I used, and I pretty much used it all, so I let her know I needed a refill. So there's some of that in here too. You can kind of see it. These are great. The patterns that came out on this are so pretty. I hope it's coming across. Grungy! Yes! Oh, look at that one's ripped. Good stuff. Look at the colors. Got some holes in it. And this one like got stuck to something else. Isn't that great? I like how from front to back there it's different. That just makes it more interesting whenever you're using it on a piece where you're seeing, look at that, where you're seeing both front and back. Any grungy girls out there? Please tell me if you are a grungy girl, because I need some more grungy people in my life. How did you do this? Oh, so it's a map. So when she colored the paper, that is so cool. So these are pages, book pages. Look at it. I love that. I asked her if she ironed the pages out, because I don't want things to be like that perfect or that crisp. I don't know. I just like the look of, you know, paper whenever it's drying on its own. Dang, that's pretty. Look at that. Yes, that looks so good. And she said she didn't do that. I'm like, good. I'm glad you don't do that. I know, it's just a different look because I have ordered paper from someone who did that. Oh, thank you. She had a little gift. Oh my God, look at this blue. Hold on. Try not to be so noisy. In my video, good luck. Get trash. My treasure. Isn't that cool? Look at these blues. How beautiful. And then there's some coffee tea dye paper. Some nice color variations. Some nice grunge. So pretty. Thank you, girl. I needed more grunge in my life. I was running out of that. That's so nice. Thank you. Oh, she did tags. That is so cool. These came out really good, Chiquita. Like glossy on one side. I guess that's how the paper is. I don't know, but it looks good. Oh, look it. We got some punch cards or time cards. Those look great. With this blue, child, please. Look at it. That is gorgeous. I left some for you guys though, so you better go get them. Because if she doesn't sell them, I will have her send them to me. So you better go get some. Look at this paper. I think she told me she'd never done this this color before. Stop. Oh. These look so good, girl. I saw them, we did a little FaceTime. So she wanted to show me some stuff, and I was like, this looks good. It looks so much better in person. I don't know that it's coming across very well, but for you, oh, look at. These are awesome. After I said I wasn't going to go through each page. Okay. And they're like, sounds so good. There's one with a nice rip and tear in the middle. I just was in a mood. I was like, I need some grunge. I don't have any. The little tiny bit that I had is gone. So look at that. Darker on the edges. Man, it's beautiful. Ooh, this one's got kind of like a pinky color in there. Awesome. Yeah, these look amazing. Look at. Awesome. Thank you so much, Chiquita. You did amazing. As usual, babe. I appreciate you. All right, friends. Make sure you go check her out. before she sells out. Usually when I show you guys, then something happens and then I can't get stuff for a little while because she's got to make more. But that's okay. I don't mind. That's okay. I don't mind. All right, friends. Go get this blue. Look at that. Look at that. Thank you, Chiquita. All right. Love you. Besos. Bye.